If you are faced with the task of rounding off a certain number, here are some steps that when you follow them to the letter, you would get the correct answer. So let's study steps required to round off numbers. Step 1. You identify the digit in the rounding place. So that is, if you're asked to round off a number, for example, to the nearest whole number, or to the nearest tens, or to the nearest 100, you identify the digit that lies in that place value that you are rounding the number to. Now, when you have done that, you then perform step 2, where you identify the next digit to the right of the rounding place. So for example, if the digit in my rounding place is 2, I then look at the digit that is next to it. It could be any number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But the thing you have to do is identify which number is next to the rounding place. So when you've gotten that, then you apply step 3, which is to apply this rule. Apply the rule. If the next number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you round down. That is, if the next number after the rounding place, like if my rounding place, the digit is 2, and then the next number to it is either 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. What this means is that I have to round down. That is, I take every other number as 0, and I do not add anything to the rounding place. However, if the number next to the rounding place is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. In this case, we would round up. Now, when I say round up, what I mean is that every other thing becomes 0. However, you will add 1 to the rounding place. That is, you increase the required digits by 1. And by following these steps, you too can round off any number. Thank you.